An earthquake measuring 7.0 magnitude has rocked Turkey and Greece. Reports coming in say people in the Turkish city of Izmir are gathered in the streets after fleeing from the buildings. The quake was also felt in the Greek capital of Athens. Izmir's mayor said that at least 20 buildings were destroyed in Izmir. Disaster relief teams have been rushed to the city. More than 30 casualties were reported, but it is feared the number could be much higher. The earthquake has also caused damage on the Greek island of Samos in the Aegean Sea. Greece's Institute of Geodynamics said the quake's epicenter was in the sea 19 kilometers north of the island, at a depth of 2 kilometers from the surface. A tsunami was also triggered which hit the nearby coasts on the Aegean Sea. Turkish President Erdogan said, "With all the means of our state, we stand by our citizens affected by the earthquake. We took action to start the necessary work in the region with all our relevant institutions and ministers."